Hello, just giving you all a security update. We have a new warning released by the Australian Signals Directorate and by various cybercrime people who watch these things that are going on out there. There's an attack against Australians, an attack against your computer. People who are running Office 2013 or newer, so that's 2016, 2019, the latest versions of 2021. All those Office versions are vulnerable. There is no patch. This attack allows a person to remotely take control of your machine, install software, add users, do all kinds of crazy stuff. There is a workaround. So we are contacting clients right now, and we are contacting you to get access to your workstations and run the workaround. This workaround is until Microsoft releases a patch. So we are on top of this. We are doing this right now, and we want to give you an update so that when you get the phone call from us, you know what it's about. And anyone who is able to assist us with it, because we have a lot of computers to look after at your site, we may give you instructions on how to do this and get you to do it as well. This is a very serious issue. It's been released by Microsoft as a threat. It's Follina, and they are looking at a patch that's coming out, but obviously there's just a lot of work to do to stop this thing from spreading and attacking us. Thanks.